Right guys, Mark 5 Golf 2005, 1.9 TDI 5 speed, 105 brake horsepower I believe. Problem with the fuel temperature sensor, which causes the car to take a few turns of the key to get it started when the engine is hot. So when the engine is over 90 degrees temperature. It is a common problem. The fuel temperature sensor is very easy to change, but it's not always the sensor which is at fault. The sensor, which is located here front of the engine, comes from the pipe comes from the fuel filter housing. It's easy to change, but it's, as I say, it's not always the fuel temperature sensor that is at fault. It could be the plug. If you just follow the wires a bit further on the plug, the wires could be damaged like these are here, and the one is cut, so it's not making any contact at all. So always check that. And here's a common problem on these Mark 5s. I think they get cut with the vibration of the engine and it rubbing against the plastic sheath. So please always do check that. It is a 2-pin plug, black in colour, and it only costs about £10. Thank you.